Sony has been among the more prolific smartphone manufacturers over the past few years. Throughout 2016, the Japanese manufacturer unveiled 7 new smartphones, and at MWC this year, it introduced 4 more handsets. The top device in the latter bunch was the Xperia XZ Premium. With the XZ Premium, Sony promises unparalleled experience thanks to its revolutionary camera tech, excellent 5.5-inch 4K display and Qualcomm's latest silicon, the Snapdragon 835. Let's see if it delivers. Battery life. Big screens don't necessarily need big power banks. Big screens with high resolutions require a lot of power, that's a fact. And with the XZ Premium's beast of a display, one would expect that the battery life would be laughable. However, they would be wrong. The phone comes with a not-so-impressive 3230 mAh power pack, but it appears that it's enough. The XZ Premium lasted us through the whole day for the time we used it without any issues. In our standard battery test, the handset lasted for 8 hours and 15 minutes, which is well above the average, and it's a pleasant surprise, considering the average capacity of the power pack and the huge high-resolution display. Of course, playing heavy multimedia on it made its charge drop like a stone. So, in case you want to play Pokemon Go on its glorious 4K screen, better do so equipped with a serious power bank. Conclusion. The Xperia XZ Premium is a very good phone. We can't really complain from lack of power, design or camera performance. However, at the end of the day, it has very solid competition to beat. Other manufacturers are betting on new aspect ratios, smaller bezels and dual cameras, and it seems that Sony is the only one staying true to its own formula for now. This, of course, doesn't make it a worse phone than the LG G6 or the Galaxy S8 Plus. In fact, it now offers the same blazing fast performance as its competitors, thanks to the Snapdragon 835 and some pretty well-optimized software. Actually, that's better hardware than what we have in the G6. If you're still not ready to give up the 9:16 aspect ratio, and you're looking for a solid device to invest in, the Sony Xperia XZ Premium should be one to consider seriously.